Hamburger meat, Lipton onion soup mix, Brazilian steak seasoning, onion powder, black pepper, garlic salt, 1 egg, chopped onions. Mix everything in the bowl, well combined. Get in there with your hands, get nasty, get dirty, do whatever you feel. Yeah. Skillet, hot, brown each side, 5 minutes one side, 3 minutes the next side. Take them out, put them in a pan, make your gravy. But these people said they don't want no canned biscuits with their steak and gravy. If you don't want to eat this with canned biscuits, then go in there and make your own cornbread. Hell, even use light bread if you want to. I prepared this meal just so you could eat, and you want to complain about canned biscuits? What the hell is going on with America? Peace.